Hi guys, the seller sent me this pink keyboard to review, so we're going to open it up and take a really good look at it.
And here is a full look at the mouse and the keyboard. They're absolutely gorgeous. It has a retro look with the round keys, and I love the pink tones in it. Just so beautiful. So here it is, unboxing it. And it does come really nicely packaged. So if you're going to be giving it as a gift, it's got a very striking look to it, really well packaged. It comes with this beautiful matching mouse, and we'll look at it right out of the package here. And both are pretty quiet. I'll let you hear the mouse and the keyboard here in just a second. So let's take a look at it out of the bag here. It's very lightweight, very easy to move around, I found. This is a wireless keyboard, and it has a nice reach to it, and it's quite thin, so it's not going to take up a lot of space on you, but it's just absolutely beautiful.